Hello everyone, this is our hardware setup for our application Shiksha Setu for problem statement 25012. So this is an RFID scanner which will send the data directly to our app via Supabase whenever the card is tapped. It is the most reliable and most suitable solution for underprivileged schools with low network connectivity and less development infrastructure, as it works with both online and offline mode and is the cheapest option among all available technologies with least maintenance. Further, we wish to integrate a camera with this device to avoid proxies without using more expensive and complex face recognition technology.
You all have seen the hardware part, and now I'll show you the software one. The application name is Shiksha Setu. Click on Get Started. This app language is bilingual. For time being, I'll continue in English. Now, if you have an account, then log in, and if you don't, then sign up. Sign up as a teacher. Now, this is the dashboard that comes up on your screen. The student section has the number of students, the name of the students that are already enrolled in the government school, and also in this application. Attendance part, the attendance will show the number of students that were present on the particular date and where particular time. Once the student gets marked as present, the midday meal will also turn into a yes, which means the student will be enrolled to get the particular meal of the day from the school. This section shows the attendance part of today, date-wise, from which date to which date, and the overall attendance of the student. Now this attendance has below the call section. These are the IVR calls that go to students when the student's attendance is less than 75%. The IVR call automatically goes to parents. Now this is the assignment section, where the teacher uploads the assignment to the students and student completes their work and further submits on this app. This is the grading system. The timetable section will show the timetable of a particular day, the subjects that will be taught in class from which time to what time. These are the articles for both students and teachers. Also, we have a chatbot here, where you can ask anything. Hi, what is maths? And etc. for students' help. It will be available 24/7. This is the quiz section, where everyone will be asked a particular quiz per day. William Shakespeare, correct. This is the community chat where both students and teachers can talk here. Now clicking on 3 lines here. The ranking. Now this ranking is based on both grades and attendance. When the government assigns some limited resources that are less than the students enrolled, we'll use this grading system to provide the students with the resources that they deserve. This is the whole prototype of our app, and we are updating our app with more features. Thank you.